Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. So, firstly, put it to the charging case and after that, close the charging case. Now it should disconnect it from your phone and then open it again. The earbuds will reconnect to your phone and now check maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, also sometimes it happened because you have trouble with a gesture. So open the application and now my earbuds should reconnect to the application, and go to the controls here. And if it's set to none, or in this application it calls like not none but just do nothing, just change it to, let's say, play and pause or something another. It's up to you, and check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also, maybe you didn't click at the touch controls, so the touch controls located right here and right here, so just press on it and you will hear also a sound. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!